Your business bio might be costing you clients, and you probably haven't looked at it in years. The good news is you can fix it in under an hour using AI without paying a copywriter. But there's a right way and a wrong way. Here's what goes wrong. Someone opens ChatGPT, types, "Write me a professional bio," gets back polished nonsense, and pastes it live. The problem isn't the AI, it's what they gave it to work with. AI can only output what you put in. Feed it vague, get back vague. Before opening any AI tool, spend 10 minutes writing raw material. Not polished sentences, just honest answers. What does your business actually do, and who do you serve? How long have you been doing this? What did you do before? What's one result you're genuinely proud of? Why did you start the business? Any credentials worth mentioning? Once you have that material, your prompt matters more than almost anything. Tell the AI who you are, paste in your answers, specify the format, third person, around 150 words, and describe who's reading it. This context changes the tone completely. Ask for 2 or 3 versions so you can mix and match. Now edit it. This is what separates a real person from a robot. AI bios lean on meaningless phrases like passionate about and dedicated to. Go through and do 3 things. Swap vague adjectives for specific facts, read it aloud, and rewrite anything you'd never say to a person, and add 1 human detail. Something small and true that does more work than 5 polished sentences. This takes 15 minutes and makes it actually yours. Once you have a solid draft, put it to work everywhere. Your LinkedIn bio, website about page, and chamber event blurb are completely different. Ask AI to resize a 50-word version for social, a first-person version if your website uses that voice. Resizing content you've already approved is what AI does well. Before anything goes live, check 3 things. Verify every factual claim. AI quietly inflates details. Confirm contact or location details. Make sure the tone matches your website. You don't need specialized tools. ChatGPT's free version works fine. Claude feels more conversational. Gemini is built into Google Workspace. Any tool works if you give it something real. Here's the honest limitation. No AI tool knows what makes you different unless you tell it. The tool is only as good as the raw material you provide. Most small business bios are generic because the person writing them never stopped to think clearly about what actually makes their work worth paying attention to. The AI part is easy. The thinking part is on you, and it's worth doing.